You want to get your music on Spotify? Here's how to upload your track as an artist in a few simple steps. First, you can't upload directly to Spotify unless you're signed with the label. So you will need a music distributor. Some of the most popular ones are DistroKid, TuneCore, and Muse. They send your songs to Spotify, Apple Music, and other platforms for you. Once you choose a distributor, create an account and upload your audio file, usually in WAV or FLAC format. You also need your artwork, song title, artist name, and lyrics if you want them synced. Pick your release date and set it at least 2 weeks out. This gives you time to submit your song to Spotify's editorial playlist through Spotify or for artists once it's live in their system. After uploading, claim your Spotify for artist profile for artist profile if you haven't already. This lets you control your artist page, track your stats, and pitch future releases. That's it. Your track will go live on the date you choose. If this helped, you hit like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want me to do next.